you take a quick photo for me? Just press that little button right there. I mean the kid. Just a quick snapshot would be great.
Wait.
Oh God. Oh my God, help. Can you take a picture for me? I just want to take a snapshot. Just a snapshot right here. You're the best. That was fast. That was the best. Just a quick snapshot. Oh!
Back.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna do it on. Oh, this is a selfie.
Oh no!
What?
Shot of my baby and I over here on the edge. Okay.
Watch out!
What? No! Holy! Good thing I had this tied, man. And then thank God that's not a real baby. Like that?
Good one.
Like that? Just a photo of me and my baby. Just a quick snapshot.
No!
Oh! Snapshot of the baby. Oh my God! Oh my God! There's a camera right there. Oh no! Oh my God! Help! Shot of the stroller and I.
Get it!
No!
Watch out!
Oh my God! Oh, thank God it's attached to a rope, and it's not a real baby.
I thought we should have to go in there.
There's a camera right there.
Oh, is it?
We're just filming. Oh my God! Shot of my baby and I. Okay. Oh my God! Oh no, Becky! There's a camera right there. It's just a joke. Of my baby. Wait, get back. Oh. Can you take a picture?
Back.
Whoa! Scoot over just a bit so your sister can get in there. Oh, watch out. Good thing it was attached to a rope and it's just a baby doll. Look, there's a camera right there.
Great.
There's a camera right there. You want a divorce? No! This is Sparta! A lot of people just ignore the homeless, walk past them. So let's see if they can ignore this.
Oh, you want to take a selfie?